Hello there. I see you're making an extremely good burger.
Yes.
Okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna go check on the fries and what did I just say? Where'd it go? I swear there was a cat here. Get out! This is just gonna be some random shenanigans of this funny game called Burgers. Yo. Oi! Don't you dare leave! Get over here!
It just takes us all. Yeah.
Has no boot camp.
No!
You might not want to take it from there. Because it might fall.
Oi! No!
There you go.
Don't do that! Well, you gotta go to an epic restaurant.
If they try to leave, just chuck them in the fridge.
Yeah.
Right.
Oi! You're going in here. You know.
Welcome to the kitchen. Here we have cheese.
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 Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
So many cheese. I love cheese.
Treat.
I love tree. Hey.
Okay, there's someone who wants fries with sauce, and they're going to leave in a bit. Oh, this one would.
Special customer, but we're not going to make the burger on time.
Yeah.
Make the burger. 15 boxes of cheese.
Oi! This is taking way too long. How about you stay in the fridge for way too long?
Yeah, we're just making the perfect burger. Of course it was going to take long. The perfect burger takes a long time of hard effort to make.
Give me your finest burger. Call emoji. Oh, someone's about to leave. Because they want that burger. Oh, you don't have all day? Well, you do have all day to stay in the goddamn fridge, don't you?
There's another person about to leave with the fries.
Put the fries in the back.
And they just left.
I gotcha. Don't do that again.
The last thing they see is just someone putting
Hey guys!
The last thing they see is just someone
Hey guys!
Hi.
Hey guys, what's poppin'?
I'm just putting someone in a fridge. I'm trapping someone in the fridge. That's what's popping.
The last thing they see is just someone putting them in the fridge and someone building a 15-box cheeseburger.
Yeah, and then there's a bunch of other people trapped in the fridge as well.
Yeah. I can't get back up. Get up. I'm stuck. No, you're not. Yeah. This
special customer really wants a burger.
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos.
Oi, there's
Soft.
you know what? I'm not gonna be the microwave man. I'm gonna be the anti cat. If I see a cat, I'm just gonna prototype them. Or
The cat escapes and runs away.
oh, this person's about to leave. Haha. You can't leave. You can't. If you try to leave, you will be put in the fridge.
Letter R, letter U, letter recording.
Letter Y, letter E, letter S.
You are recording.
Yes. Yes.
Hey!
Hey guys.
Hey! Don't touch the burger.
Guys, can I be in your gang now?
Don't touch the towel. Do you play cook burgers? I take that as a yes. Oh my god, you're way richer than me.
Yes.
I've still got donuts left in the table in there.
Dude, I'm so poor.
Oh yes, you are recording. Okay, time to get the next box of cheese since this cheeseburger is going to be magnificent.
When is the special customer gonna leave?
Never. He has to wait. Did I just hear a rat?
We need to keep the rat safe.
You're my friend.
You're my friend now.
We're having
Oi!
soft tacos later.
Caught ya. Caught you trying to escape, huh? Oh, the special customer left. He will regret leaving if he comes back. He's probably gonna try us again. And then if he leaves, he's going under. If any special customer leaves, or if any customer leaves, they get put in the fridge. That's what happens in our restaurant. Don't leave, or you'll be put in fridge.
Hey, Void Guy, you should totally join us.
I'm too busy doing nothing on the battle bricks. Why do you have the same voice as me, Void Guy? I don't know, I just do.
Let's see how many people are in the fridge. Oh.
Let me see. Fridge Empire. This is our Fridge Empire.
We take the cheese, we put it on the cheeseburger. Here we have 100 billion pieces of cheese.
It's floating, oh my god! What?
Put it back.
What is happening?
Put it back.
Wait, I can't move it.
Put it down.
I can't move it. What?
Put it. Let go
We
of it.
need two lasers to. We need two lasers to control it.
Oh my god.
We need two lasers to control it.
So heavy.
It's so heavy. We need two lasers. This is taking way too long.
How about you go and
Get out. What are you playing? I said what? Customers streak. 0, 0, 0. High school 0. The high school 0 because we're making the perfect burger.
Someone's gonna love this.
A special customer.
Hamburger.
It fell off.
Burger.
Hamburger.
Burger ham.
Cheeseburger.
Hamburger.
Cheeseburger.
I like cheeseburger too.
I hate cheeseburger too.
Alright, and that's another box down. Onto
I don't like a cheeseburger. I like a I don't like a cheeseburger. Instead, I like a cheeseburger. This is a cheeseburger. What are you playing?
Arsenal. I like Arsenal.
You must join Cook Burgers. Nah. I don't think he's friends with that one even. Oh, right. You're out of account. Do you even know who that one bacon is? Do you even know who that one?
Guys, what do you do on burgers?
You just make the perfect burger.
Yeah. And you get rat infested.
Yeah.
Yeah, and or you can make practically anything. Actually,
No,
That's
we
related
will
with
burgers. We will not clean the kitchen.
people don't know. The only thing in this burger will be one top bun, a billion cheese, one bottom bun, and one plate. That's the only thing. If a rat comes and takes the burger, we must bin the rat. Wait, no, we can't bin the rat because
Now that's why we need microwave man.
Microwave Man is coming. Although Kidnapper Man will not be there to put them in the.
Can't you just be microwave man and put them in the fridge?
Yeah, but I'm gonna have smaller range. Microwave man is coming. Microwave. Oh my god, this burger looks so delicious. Hello, my name is Microwave Man. Excuse me, this fryer is wrong. Hold up, I'm gonna make this fryer right. So first we put the.
I forgot he does that.
Nice.
Yeah, I forgot he does that.
Good.
Oh no, I accidentally opened it while it was still over here.
Opened what?
The box of cheese. Hey, but it opened perfectly though. No! Oh, you can still zap the rats, so I don't really care.
I'm gonna put these in the bin. Actually, I'm gonna burn it.
If any rat tries to steal this cheese, I will have them. I'm just gonna close this door. It's too close to a rat hole. No. Yes. No. Yes. Oh, it fell over.
I'm here with my rat. I just
Can you
acted.
just come inside?
Why?
Because there's a rat hole here. Just close that door. Close the door!
Oh my god.
Yes, the fryer is very normal. Don't question it. And also this is very normal. We always make this. It's our special dish.
Yeah. Wait, you mean our only dish?
Oh yeah, this is our only dish.
Oh right, I forgot I'm still recording. This is 12 minutes long.
Damn.
It takes that long just to make the perfect burger.
Oh my god, bro.
And also, I started recording after you started making it. So,
I don't know how to tell you this, but the fire went out.
no!
Oh my god.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Mm.
Cheese, cheese, cheese. You should make another video.
No,
Oh.
never.
TMT, TMK. Did you make any videos as that? As TMT, TMK?
No.
Uh-oh. So that's just a sign that you quit, basically.
They quit YouTube for 5 years.
I didn't quit YouTube. Because I'm making a video right now. That's enough. Well, how about you go in the fridge?
Yeah. Fridge them.
You shall go in the. What are the employees doing?
Making the perfect burger.
Yeah. What you looking at me for?
What the employees do? What are the employees doing? You want to know what we're doing? We're putting people in the fridge, and we're also making the perfect burger.
If you try to leave, you get fridged. Wait, why is there only 2 people in the fridge?
Oh yeah, NPCs despawn after a while.
Oh. Wait, why is that? Wait, there's a patty in the fridge. We gotta bin it.
Ew.
It's disgusting holding this thing. I gotta bin it. Yes.
Why didn't you burn it? That would have got rid of it more. Because now it's just stuck in the trash. And the girl just burnt it to ashes and then ate the ashes and then threw up. It keeps falling over due to the immense amount of cheese. There's not that many cheese.
Wait, if I grab it, it just falls. If I...
Bro, it can't even stand up anymore.
Oh,
It can't even stand up anymore.
we need someone to hold it and just keep flipping it.
But it can't even stand up anymore. Okay, I guess we just have to put it on the floor.
I'm Jim the anti-rat man. I hate rats.
Okay, we'll just do it like this.
I accidentally stood it. It's a tray. It looks like a tray, bro.
Add a little bit of cheese, because of course there's not enough cheese.
This special customer's about to leave. They'll know why they see no one leave. Once they leave, once they try to leave, they'll know. It fell over.
No, that's not. Can you just come back to the kitchen? I need to make sure no rat. I just need to make sure no rats steal the perfect burger.
Someone's about to leave.
Fridge.
Oh, you're attempting to leave. You will not leave. You shall not. One done. We will have a special customer in our collection soon. Once they leave, we'll have a special customer.
Need to serve this to the special customer then.
Well, how much? How much?
Yeah, this is the last box.
We've made the perfect burger after about 20 minutes, even though this video is only 17 minutes long. Actually no, 22 minutes or something like that. We're about to place the last few cheeses on the perfect burger. We've nearly made the perfect. I'll be the honor of the last cheese because I've been the one. I've saved the burger from the rats. We've done it. It's the perfect burger. It's made of top bun cheese, tomato sauce. It's made of top bun cheese.
Best burger ever.
300
Hey,
money.
that's my money. Give it.
Okay.
Thank you.
If a rat tries to steal it, I'll just zap.
Money.
I still have more money. Yeah, we've done it! Wait.
You're leaving? No, you're not. I'm gonna break the window with you.
Wait, you can do that.
Yeah. Just broke the window.
We've got the money. We've done the perfect burger.
Hold on, let me just put you in the fire while I am
We've
set the
made-
fire on fire. Gonna set the fire on fire with this NPC inside it.
Oh my god. Wait. Yeah. Look at me.
This bed is excited too.
If only light and doors broke. We've served the perfect burger, and we got purple money. We got
Now-
purple money.
Now we can go and buy the anti-rat van.
What do you mean the anti-rat van?
I'm no longer poor though.
What do you mean by the anti-rat van?
Turning right, turning right.
What is the anti-rat van?
What? He's the guy renting vehicles. Interact.
Nah, I don't want to.
Wait, I thought it was 300. I didn't know it was only 150. Something's in the way. Make sure nothing is in the parking place. Something's in the... You're in the way. Yes. Rat Buster. It's kind of unloaded. Okay, never mind. How do I get in? How do I drive it? We can kidnap rats now.
Don't you mean kill them?
Kill. Wait, is the thing on? Wait, turn it over.
I think it's on.
Turn it over. Oh yeah, it's on.
I'm gonna be walking around, basically like the rat buster. I'm gonna be a humanoid rat buster.
Hey! You need to close this up.
You're the rat buster that's a van. That's in the van. I'm walking around busting, just killing rats. Also, I'm still recording. For some reason.
I wonder what it looks like to be kidnapped. Like when you're in the van. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I've hijacked your rat buster. I've hijacked it. Yes. What?
You're my friend now.
I've hijacked your van.
Give me my
You-
van back.
Your van's been hijacked.
Give me my van back or
I'm gonna run you over.
give me my van back or I'll grab you.
I'm an employee. You can't.
Okay.
I'm in your way.
Get in the back. Okay, now we're gonna
Next to you.
oh my god.
I'm next to you.
Wait, I actually love
Wait, am I actually facing you or not? I'm not. Apparently, I'm not.
I love this first person POV.
I'm the lesser rat buster. I'm just a weaker version of the rat buster.
We need to kidnap the meat. We're kidnapping the meat.
Alright. I'll help get the meat. And then we'll put the van in the bin. Wait, what? Hey, let me in.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, what if I do this? Oh my god, I just ran someone over. Hey, get under the car.
Literally.
I'm under my car. Why is
Wait,
it?
this isn't a car.
Hey, we need to put some boxes.
My next stuff in the van. I mean in the microwave. I can't get the microwave off.
Have you tried opening the doors?
Dude, it's connected to my neck though.
How did you get it on?
Plastic surgery.
Then why don't you just get plastic surgery to take it off?
I don't know. Well, I got my head ripped off, then put back on after I put the microwave on.
We're gonna order some bread because that comes with 4 boxes, and we're gonna put the boxes into the van. Rat Buster! Hey, that's my van.
You have been run over. Rip Bozo.
Okay, we need to put the thingies into the.
Oh.
Bro, I'm putting the boxes into the van.
Oh no, I'm being attacked.
This is mine. Hey, this is my van.
Okay.
My van.
Give me 2 fingers.
Okay, so we are moving just very slowly.
Why are we going so short?
We need to put these boxes onto the ship because we don't want these boxes.
I don't have all day angry emoji.
Made in Germany.
Made in your mother.
Now we just wait for the ship. Speak of the devil, there is the ship.
Hey, ship.
Oh, where's it going? Oh.
Ship, we're here. Ship, we're here. What if I go into the driver?
Go on top. Rat Busters.
Your mother buster. Mum busters.
They also said they wanted some forklifts, so we have to drive the forklifts onto the ship.
Oh.
We started putting it on here. So now we take this forklift.
Wait.
Are my legs fried? Why are my legs fried?
I don't know.
Right, you can leave now. We've got one surprise. Wait, the doors are still open. We will kill rats.
We are rat busters. Rat busters. Rat busters. And we hate rats. Rat busters. Rat busters.
I wonder what happens if I become a rat.
Why'd you die? Did it zap you?
Where's the cat?
Wait, you're the cow rat.
What's
I think it's because you dodged it. It just
I found a cat.
it just deletes you. Oh! So Void Guy did a different strategy to beat level 5, I guess.
Let me on the car. He wants on the car.
Wait, does it kill the rat? I mean, no, the cat.
Nope. It
It only kills the rat. Where'd the cat go? The cat vanished. Squeak, squeak.
I'm just gonna become cheese.
Wait, does it know if you're a rat?
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese.
It knows.
Or does it? Moving money. Oh, it shot you.
We like the rats. We must turn this off immediately.
Squeak. I'm gonna be a normal rat.
The OJ. Hamster. Hamster.
You know what? I'm gonna be the cow rat.
Hamster. This cat doesn't mind that I'm here. Just gonna eat it.
I'm gonna mount this rat. I mean cat. Cow cat rides rats. Hey you, hey cat. Da 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 da.
Just record.
Yes, I'm still recording after 33 minutes. I forgot that I was recording again.
Inventory is full.
Blah, 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 blah. Da, 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 da,
I didn't eat the burger, I swear.
Did you?
No.
Did you? Excuse me. Okay, hi. Hi, bestie. Wait, why is the burger just a bunch of buns? Imagine you're just a person and then you see this. A rat on a cat.
Rat on the cat.
rat on the cat and the rat on the cat. Cat.
Stop
on the cat.
recording!
Nah.
Stop recording or you're gonna die.
5.